Ever wondered how professional chefs chop so quickly and efficiently? Today, we're diving into the world of basic knife techniques, a fundamental skill set for every budding culinary enthusiast. These techniques are the cornerstone of efficient cooking, turning tedious meal preparation into an art form. By understanding how to chop, dice, and slice with precision, you can transform your kitchen routine, making it faster, safer, and more enjoyable. Mastering these basic cuts can drastically improve your cooking experience. So, are you ready to learn? Before we begin, it's important to choose the right knife. Knives come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each designed for a specific task. A chef's knife for chopping, a paring knife for peeling, a bread knife for slicing through crusty loaves. The key is to find a knife that feels comfortable in your hand. And let's not forget, a sharp knife is not only safer, but also makes your work more efficient. So keep those blades honed. Remember, a sharp, well-balanced knife is a chef's best friend. Now that you have your knife, it's time to learn how to hold it correctly. Holding a knife properly is crucial in ensuring both safety and precision. Let's start with the chef's grip. Hold the handle with 3 fingers, your middle, ring, and pinky. Your thumb and index finger should be gripping the blade, not the handle. This allows for better control and stability. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Some people hold the knife like a hammer with all fingers wrapped around the handle. This gives you less control and could lead to accidents. Also, avoid putting your index finger on the spine of the knife, as this can strain your hand over time. Remember, the key is to maintain a firm yet relaxed grip. Too tight, and your hand might tire quickly. Too loose, and the knife could slip. Practice this grip until it feels natural. A firm, comfortable grip will give you better control and precision while cutting. With your knife in hand, you're ready to start cutting. Let's begin with chopping, a fundamental technique in every cook's repertoire. To chop, place your ingredient on the cutting board and hold it steady with your non-knife hand, forming a claw-like shape with your fingers to keep them safe. Your knife should then make a rocking motion, with the tip of the knife staying in contact with the board. This allows you to cut your ingredient into rough, uneven pieces. It's perfect when you want a rustic look to your dish or when precision isn't necessary. Next, we move on to dicing. This is a more precise cut where the goal is to create uniform cubes. Start by slicing your ingredient into even planks. Then stack these planks and cut them into even strips. Rotate your strips 90 degrees and cut again. And voila, you've got cubes. This technique is ideal for when you need your ingredients to cook evenly. Slicing is another essential cut. Unlike dicing, slicing is all about creating thin, even pieces. This is particularly useful for ingredients that you want to cook quickly, or for creating beautiful uniform presentations. To slice, use the same rocking motion as chopping, but aim for thinner, more consistent pieces. Now, as you're cutting, it's important to maintain a steady rhythm. This is not only efficient, but also safer. A steady rhythm means your knife is less likely to slip, and you're less likely to cut yourself. Remember, speed will come with practice. It's more important to focus on your technique and safety first. Also, always keep your cutting board clean and clear. Sweep off the cut pieces into a separate bowl or tray. This will give you more space to work with and reduce the chances of your knife slipping. With practice, these cuts will become second nature and you'll be chopping like a professional chef in no time. Remember, the key to mastering these basic cuts is repetition and patience. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be wielding that knife with confidence and ease. Congratulations! You're well on your way to mastering basic knife techniques. We've come a long way, haven't we? We started by identifying the right knife for the job, understanding that each blade has a unique purpose and function. We then moved on to the correct way to hold a knife, ensuring safety and control in every slice. Next, we dove into the heart of the matter, the basic cuts. We explored the chop, the dice, and the slice, each one an essential skill in the culinary world. Each cut has its own rhythm, its own character, and with time, you'll find your own rhythm too. But remember, these skills won't develop overnight. Practice is key, patience is your best friend, and consistency will be your guide. This journey may seem daunting, but it's also rewarding and fun, so don't forget to enjoy each moment in your kitchen. Remember, every great chef started with the basics. Keep practicing, stay patient, and most importantly, have fun in the kitchen.